This is our second encounter. The first one was Miss World Philippines Ifugao, and this is another journey for us for Janvi Entertainment. We're very proud that we have the first Mr. World Philippines Ifugao. This is a milestone for the province of Ifugao, sending representatives for both Mr. and Miss World. So as always, I thank, of course, Mr. Arnold Bigafria for the trust, for entrusting me that destination, and of course ALV Pageant Circle, Ethan, Francis Chi, and of course Aldridge and the entire team of Mr. and Miss World Ifugao. Your support is inevitable because this is the first time. And as you know, it is unnoticed area of the Philippines, and we want to showcase culture, pride, everything about Ifugao. As I've mentioned earlier during my other press conferences, I fell in love with Ifugao, hence I have to complete the representation for both Mr. and Miss Ifugao. So without further ado, I would like to pass the microphone to Mr. Francis Chi and to Mr. Ethan. Silang dalawa kasi wala si Sir ALV. Thank you so much as always. Please don't forget us. Support our boy as he does his first national competition. So siya na magpapakilala sa kanya later. Siya na, introduce niya yung sarili niya. But without further ado, let me welcome on stage the manager and the head of Mr. World Philippines, Mr. Ethan.
Hello everyone, so my name is Ethan Leison. I'm the General Manager of Mr. World Philippines Organization. And on behalf of Sir Arnold Bigafria and the entire Mr. World Organization Philippines, I would like to welcome officially the candidate of Ifugao, Henry. Ayan. So I'm looking forward for him to do his best, of course, in all the activities that he'll be facing soon. Of course, very soon po yan. So, and we are happy that Miss Jeanette acquired also the franchise for Ifugao. Thank you also for trusting us with your candidates as well. Also to all our media friends, thank you also for coming tonight, for gracing the invite of Miss Jeanette. Ayan. Thank you so much. And may all of us enjoy this night. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to congratulate Miss Jeanette for the franchise for entrusting the ALV Pageant Circle and Miss World Philippines and Mr. World Philippines organization. So I just want to welcome Henry for the Mr. World Philippines family, and I hope you will enjoy your journey in the upcoming competition for Mr. World Philippines. And we can't wait also to all the pageant media na ma-excite kung ano yung mga upcoming activities namin for Mr. World Philippines. So thank you so much, Ms. Jeanette, for trusting us on behalf of Sir Arnold Bigafria. So thank you and congratulations.
The long wave of questions we have, you're not going to want to miss this. As a future Air Force officer, Henry envisions himself as a bridge connecting people, preserving culture, and inspiring the youth to dream beyond the skies. Through Mr. World Philippines Ifugao, he hopes to amplify his advocacy and represent his province with integrity, courage, and cultural pride. Henry now returns to share a personal message. He'll speak about his journey in public service, his commitment to discipline and representation, and his experience preparing for Mr. World Philippines. We'll then open the floor for a brief Q&A. Let this be a moment for connection, reflection, and shared inspiration. Without further ado, Mr. World Philippines Ifugao 2025, Mr. Henry Estacio. Alright.
Henry on me!
Henry on me.
Ayan pa, on me daw. Here.
Henry, can I have your attention?
Hello world!
Yes!
Upon ang hello couple namin, I am Henry Estacio, 23 years old, a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. And recently, I applied at the Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate School to protect and serve on our nation. Ladies, gentlemen, and the members of the LGBTQIA+, once again, I am Henry Estacio, your first ever Mr. World Philippines Ifugao Aguillo. So yun, appoint talaga ako ay nakita muna nila ako sa Mr. and Miss Cordillera Autonomy, ni Miss Jeanette Bocobo, and pagkatapos nun, nakausap na din ako nila Ma'am Jeanette and Miss Valerie to represent the Ifugao, and naghintay pa talaga sila ng 1 to 2 months para sa yes.
And then, so 1 to 2 months na yon, what made you decide na eto na, ready na akong i-represent ang Ifugao sa Mr. World Philippines?
Actually, naisabay talaga siya sa application ko sa Philippine Air Force. That's why ngayon na tatapos ko na yung application. And yun, I guess okay ma'am, sige ma'am, go. Yun yung go signal ko para pumasok sa Mr. World Philippines and to represent my province.
Pumasok ka rin sa puso.